Check out this Jeep 2012 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include GPS navigation, connectivity group, quick order package 24 grams, body color 3-piece hardtop, 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius, audio jack input for mobile devices and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.